Hi, my name is Carm, and today I'll be walking you through the Super C Seneca and showing you a few features and benefits about this RV. One of the greatest things about the Jayco Seneca is that it's on a Freightliner true truck chassis. One of the advantages of that is it is a front diesel and everything is accessible, as you'll see here. So all your levels, engine maintenance, fuses, is all located at the very front here. Again, one of the greatest things about this truck chassis Freightliner is that it has a computer balanced drive shaft. It also has 60mm Bilstein shocks and gives you a much more enhanced ride quality. In fact, when you drive one of these, you don't feel fatigued in any way, shape, or form. We are now on the inside of the Jayco Seneca. One of the things you'll notice is the great design of the seats. They're orthopedically designed, built for comfort, exceptional ride quality, and you never arrive fatigued. Here we have the equalizer system. It's the leveling system on the coach, one of the best ones out there. One push of a button will level the whole coach. Up here on top on the cab area, we have a full-size queen bed with an amazing view glass that's patented by Jayco, one of the best systems out there, will never leak, but also allows a lot of natural light in this area, which makes it great for sleeping. We are in the kitchen area now, and what we have is full hard counter surfaces, which is a great feature, a full residential microwave convection oven. I'll show you the inside of that. You can definitely fit a turkey in there. Also, a full residential refrigerator with ice maker. We are now in the living area. What you'll see here is a full couch with 3 seat belts. Also has a recline feature, which is nice for those days that you want to put your feet up. Also, we have a fireplace for comfort and convenience, TV with soundbar. We are in the rear of the coach now, which is the bedroom area. As you can see, it's a full king bed, and we have special lighting for reading at nighttime. Also large hanging closets. Also a TV. Adjacent to the bedroom is the 3-piece bath with a large shower, vanity, mirror, and storage compartments. Thank you for watching this video on the Jayco Seneca. If you require more information, please contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.